To start up, I'm going to talk about the Too Faced Pretty Rich collection. So in this collection you have an eyeshadow. Where is the eyeshadow? This eyeshadow palette right here. This is the Pretty Rich eyeshadow palette. I have some Diamond Light highlighter, which is this, and it comes in the one they sent me. I don't know if that's all the shade. It comes in Teary, just like this. I also added a mascara, the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. I have some lip glosses in this collection. They come in a case like this. I'm going to open it up very soon for you. I'm going to do swatches of all of them. So these are the lip glosses. Cute brush right here in the collection for the highlighter. Now let's talk about the eyeshadow. Palette looks like this. It comes in a case like this, and you have 16 eyeshadows shade. The packaging looks like this on the inside. It's very cute packaging. Packaging is really cute. Like, they really spend time on this packaging. It comes in with a cute mirror. I just like the packaging. You open it, shadows right there. It's like a neutral eyeshadow, so you don't really have much matte color in this eyeshadow palette. I can only see one brown shade to like use as a transition color. You have a pop of blue right here, you have silver, then you have a gold right here. First thing I'm going to do for the eyes, I'm going to prime my lid. I use the Too Faced eyeshadow primer. Then I'll use the concealer as a base on top of it. I'll just set using the powder also, just to be on the safe side. So now we are ready for the eyes. So I'm going to use these brushes by Zoeva to blend. As the brown shade, I'm going to use this as a transition color. The pigmentation is nice, so I'm just using a little bit of that shade. I'm blending it on the crease. Like, I'm barely touching it because it's quite like harsh. So what I'm doing is that I'm missing this one and these two shades. I'm going to take a smaller brush, that same color, the brown shade. I'm going to concentrate it on the outermost corner of the lid of the eye. Sorry. I need just that, you know, the brown, like the reddish brown, or a softer brown that is quite pigmented for a dark skin girl to use, because it's just the dark brown you have, and that dark brown is very rich, so it can, like, if you don't blend really well, it can mess up the eyes. This shade, I'll take this Huda Beauty brush and use it to take the product. Let's try this brush if it's going to work. I'm not feeling the shimmer shade. It's not so shimmery, if that makes any sense. It might show more on the lighter skin, but on the darker skin tone, maybe you have to wet your brush. I'm using the brush dry. The blue shimmer shade. So I'm using the blue shade to just cut the crease. Just give it a little pop of something, because I wasn't feeling the shimmer shade. It's not working. I'm going to add another color. I'm going to add that glitter shade right here. Okay guys, I must say I'm feeling the look now. It's coming together really well because I layer the colors. I apply the shimmer shade first, then I'm applying the creamy shade on top of it. So you really have to like think of how to make the color pop, since it's just limited matte shadow to use on the palette. So I must say that gold shade is beautiful. Inglot gel liner. Guys, this gel liner is everything. So I applied the black liner on my waterline. To smoke out the under eyes using the, let me try the blue that we use on the crease. So guys, for mascara I'm going to use the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. So I'll use this Lashes by Morphe. This spray by Marabou. After spraying my face, I'm going to do my lip. I'm going to use this lip pencil by Georgiana, the Georgiana Coco Loco. So I'm going to take the Too Faced Pretty Rich Lips Gloss. I'm going to use this highlighter. I'll leave the shade name on the video. This is how the packaging looks like. Packaging is really pretty. Then you have the highlighter inside. I'm using the brush. Guys, this highlighter is beautiful. Okay guys, this is the final look. I had to go to church and come back. This is the highlighter I used today. I'll leave the name on the video and at the description bar. They all have different shade and packaging. I can't go through all of them today. I might just do a video on them, like while I'm using them. They are very soft on the hands. That is the second one right there. There are some that are not like dark skin friendly, so if you're a lighter skin girl, you can use some of them. For the eyeshadow palette, I find it very like tricky to use because there were not enough shades for a dark skin girl to use. It was just one brown shade on that palette. I'll leave the price on the video. For an expensive eyeshadow palette, I was expecting a lot from the palette. It doesn't have much to work with for transition color, but when you are talking about shimmer shade, this shade right here was really beautiful on the eyes. You can see I had to layer the color to get it out because I had to add the shimmer shade underneath, then the shade on top of it to just make it pop. And what other products? The lip gloss. I'm going to do a lip swatch of that lip gloss, then I will upload it. I'll link it at the description bar when that video is up for you guys to watch that separately for my thought on the lip gloss. So if you have any question about this palette by like the collection, the Pretty Rich collection by Too Faced, let me know at the comment section. I will answer your questions. And if you have any requests for the new year 2019, let me know. Just ask all the questions on the video at the comment section, okay? Anyway guys, that is all I'm going to talk about. I want to keep this video as short as possible, straight to the point, and that, okay? So thank you so much for watching. Happy New Year guys. If I've not said Happy New Year, let me just say Happy New Year. 2019 is going to be lit. Are we still saying lit this year? No, somebody will come up with something else. Maybe on fire or something. Maybe not lit anymore. Understand? So remember what I always say: be yourself, be true to yourself, love yourself, do you always. You're very blessed. Bye guys. Bye.